students, this is AJ sir. Let's study 9th standard ICSE physics, chapter 9A and B, the numericals, that is current electricity. Physics 9A, let's do numerical number 2. Here the current is mentioned and the time is mentioned, and we have to find the total charge passing through the conductor. Now the formula is current is equal to charge upon time. That's the definition of current. Substitute the values and cross multiply, we get the charge as 3 coulomb. That's the unit of charge. Now the third sum. Here the time is given and the charge is given and the current is asked. So again the same formula. Substitute the values and we get the current in ampere. So do the remaining sums for homework and even the solved examples. Now in the B exercise, in transferring 1.5 coulomb charge through a wire, 9 joule of work is done and potential difference, that is the voltage, is asked. Now the definition of voltage is amount of work done per unit charge. So that's the formula, one of the formulae of voltage, potential difference. Substitute the values and we get the answer in volt. That is the SI unit of potential difference. For the third sum, the current is given and the potential difference is given and the resistance is asked. Now, as per Ohm's law, the formula for resistance is V upon I. Substitute the values and we get the answer as 4 ohm. That's the unit of resistance. Do the remaining sums for homework and even the solved examples.
Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.